Hey guys, it's Jashard from Buy Sell Excel. Just wanted to do an exclusive unboxing that I received directly from Chainlink. This is for their 2020 summit, and yeah, let's go ahead and take a look what goodies we have in here today. All right, so it looks like we have an exclusive t-shirt. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Awesome. And let's see, it gives you that smart contract type of feel, and then it shows smart contract summit. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that provides real-world data to smart contracts on the blockchain. Link is the digital asset token used to pay for services on the network. So here's a quick diagram to show how that's represented. So essentially, smart contracts are a pre-specified agreement or a handshake on the blockchain that evaluates information and automatically executes when certain conditions are met. Crowdfunding is a good example. So essentially, if a certain amount of Ether is deposited into a smart contract by a certain date, then payment will be released to the fundraiser. If it is not, then payment will be returned to the donors. Because smart contracts exist on the blockchain, they are immutable. That meaning they can't be changed and they are verifiable. Everyone can see them, guaranteeing a high level of trust among parties, and they accurately reflect the stated parameters of the agreement and will execute if and only if those parameters are met. So essentially, it's a more secure way to make sure that what needs to happen actually happens.